This is the Simple Budget by Framework. Everything you need to budget on a single tab made for beginners. Whether you're paid weekly, bi-weekly or monthly, it handles it, and you'll be set up in a few minutes. Let me show you around. Start by entering your subcategories. These are the individual things you earn and spend on, like your salary, your groceries, your rent or a car loan. They sit under income, savings, bills, expenses and debt, with room for up to 50 in each. For everyone, type what you plan to spend or save in the planned column. When something gets paid, reaches completion, or is received, tick its box. That tick box turns the planned amount into your actual and grays the line off, so you can see at a glance what's still active. Below your category tables is the transactions log. This is where you log what you spend and earn. Set the date, type the amount, and pick a category and subcategory from the drop-downs. These are automatically pulled from your category tables for you to select. As you log transactions, everything updates for you: the totals, the charts, the progress bars. All the math is done for you. Right beside the log, you'll see your category breakdowns fill in as you go, so you can see exactly where your money's going across income, savings, expenses, bills, and debt. Finally, up top, you've got your budget visuals. In one look, you can see what's safe to spend, how your money's tracking through the month, and how you're doing on savings, income, and debt. Click through the drop-downs above some of the charts to switch up what each chart shows. That's the Simple Budget by Framework. The easiest way to take control of your money, all on one tab. Effortless, auto-calculated, and made for beginners. Thanks for checking us out.